Hi, this is Jerry Jenkins. I'm in Windows 11, and they've integrated Windows 11 with some things in Windows 10. One of them is the Snap Windows feature. They made it officially part of Windows 11, and we're going to show you how you can use it to put 5 windows in tiles on your desktop so you can work in 5 programs at once. You'll see the programs I have open. I have 5 programs open. I have the to-do list. I have Bing browser. I have Power Terminal. I have a calendar, and I'm playing solitaire. Uh, so what you do is if you hover over, let's see, what do we want to make central? Well, let's make, of course, solitaire is the most important. Let's put that in the middle. So if you hover over here, and you'll see this one layout that has 3 columns. And that's what I'm going to choose. So you start with that. It doesn't look like you can actually have 5 programs. It looks like the most you can have is 4. But if you click here and put that in the middle, and then I'll pick the calendar for the left and PowerShell for the right, and we're almost there. So now what you need to know, there's some keys that move your windows around. So if you have a window in one place, you can move it to another place. So we're going to use that. We're going to click on PowerShell and hit the Windows key and the up arrow, and that makes a new space available for another window. So let's choose Bing down here, and then we'll go over to the calendar and make that active window. Do the same thing, do the Windows key and the up, or I'll do the down arrow, that'll also work. And you'll see it basically says move that to the tile that's in the bottom left corner, and then it has a place for the last one. So you can see now we have 5 windows that we can work through. So now, and once you have 5 windows, you can still resize them. So I can give more room to the taskbar and less than the calendar, and that does the same thing on the other side. It won't let you do one side different than the other side. And this whole thing becomes what's called a snap group, which allows you to go down to any of the running apps, and if you hover over it, let's see, you'll see the snap group here. And if you right click, you can do minimize, and they'll all go away, and you can do something else, and then you can do restore, and it would restore it. Now you can also move it to another workspace, but that's another video. So I hope this is interesting for you. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.